Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about new dynamics and challenges in Rajasthan's politics. New dynamics and challenges in the politics of Rajasthan reflect the changing nature of democratic participation, leadership, governance priorities, and socio-economic issues in the state. These developments influence political competition and policy making within the framework of the Constitution of India. First, we will talk about bipolar party competition. Politics in Rajasthan is largely dominated by two major national parties, Indian National Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party. Key trend: the state often shows alternating electoral outcomes where voters replace the ruling party in the next election. This pattern strengthens democratic accountability but also creates political volatility. Now, rise of issue based politics. Traditional factors like caste and community still influence politics, but development issues are gaining importance. Major issues shaping political debates include employment opportunities, infrastructure development, water management, agricultural support for farmers. Political parties increasingly emphasize policy and performance and governance outcomes. Now, let us talk about regional and social representation. Different social groups and regions demand greater representation in politics. Important factors: caste dynamics, regional economic disparities, demands for social justice and welfare programs. These dynamics influence candidate selection and political alliances. Now, increasing role of youth and women. Political participation among youth and women is gradually increasing. Youth participation: young voters are becoming more politically aware due to education and digital media. Women in politics. Reservation and local governance institutions under the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act has encouraged women's participation in political leadership. Influence of media and digital campaigning. Political communication in Rajasthan has been transformed by digital media, new campaign methods, social media outreach, online political messaging, data driven election strategies. These tools help parties mobilize voters and shape public opinion more effectively. Now, governance and development challenges. Despite political progress, Rajasthan faces several governance challenges. Major challenges: water scarcity and drought conditions, unemployment and rural poverty, infrastructure gaps in remote areas, balancing industrial development with environmental protection. Addressing these issues is central to political debates and policy decisions. Now, internal party dynamics, leadership competition, and factionalism within political parties sometimes influence governance and electoral outcomes. Prominent political leaders associated with Rajasthan politics include Ashok Gehlot and Vasundhara Raje, whose leadership styles and political strategies have shaped state politics. Now, let us conclude it. The politics of Rajasthan is evolving with greater emphasis on development, increased participation of youth and women, and the growing influence of digital political communication. At the same time, challenges related to governance, socio-economic disparities, and environmental issues continue to shape the political landscape. Let us quickly summarize it. Party system, bipolar competition between Congress and BJP, political issues, development, employment, water management, social representation, caste and regional dynamics, participation, growing role of youth and women, campaign methods, digital and media driven politics, challenges, water scarcity and employment, and regional inequality. Thank you.